In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate percentage increase in Excel. This is a simple and useful calculation, especially when you want to compare an original value to a newer value and quickly see how much it has grown. In this example, we will use a basic worksheet setup with an original value in one cell and a new value in another. Start by entering your original value in cell A2. This represents the starting number you want to compare from. For example, this could be last year's sales, and the value could be 50,000. Then in cell B2, enter your new value. This is the updated number you want to compare against the original value. For example, this could be this year's sales with a value of 65,000. Once both values are in place, click on an empty cell where you want the percentage increase to appear. In this case, use cell C2. This is where Excel will calculate and display the result for you. In cell C2, type the formula exactly as follows. Equals, open parenthesis, B2 minus A2, close parenthesis, divided by A2. Written out, the formula is equal sign B2 minus A2 slash A2. This formula works by first finding the difference between the new value and the original value. Then it divides that difference by the original value to calculate the increase as a proportion. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. At first, Excel will usually show the result as a decimal number. For example, you may see 0.3 instead of a percentage. That is completely normal. Excel has calculated the value correctly, but the cell just needs to be formatted. To format the result as a percentage, click on cell C2 again, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus % on your keyboard. If you prefer using the ribbon, you can also click the % button on the Home tab in the number group. As soon as you do that, Excel will convert the decimal into a percentage format. So 0.3 will display as 30%, which is much easier to read and understand. That means the new value is 30% higher than the original value. This same formula can be reused anytime you need to calculate percentage increase between two numbers in Excel. That covers everything you need to know.